Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Joyce Joyce. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to install a drawstring ponytail, coily and straight hair. Here with me, I have a straight hair, human hair, and a coily hair. This one comes in 18 inches, this one comes in 20 inches. And one thing you need to know, these are not synthetic hairs, these are not fiber hairs. Because what's the essence of getting fiber hair? After 2 or 3 wears is bad and you need to get a new one. So I told my suppliers in Vietnam to get me this. I wanted to try it out. I've been rocking this hair for like a month and so. And people keep asking me that, is it available for sale? Yes, it's available for sale because I'm not going to eat it. So this is the coily, the straight one rather. Comes in 20 inches. It's so beautiful. Factory made. I didn't make it myself. Some people will tell you, oh, you have it here, or it's so expensive, whatever. This is human hair and it's above 150 grams. So if you know what that means, it's really cheap for the way it's coming. So I'm going to do a quick install right now. So I'll start with the coily ones and I'm ready to go. You can rock this hair with native attire, smart wear, chic wear, anything you decide to. Wait, so I have my hair all gelled up and I have a little funny bun right here. So I'll be doing my install. It's very simple, less than 5 seconds. You're good to go. I promise you. So this is it. So I'll get it in because you have a little comb in here. So I'll get it installed right in. Then I have my drawstring, so I need to secure it around my bum and I'm good to go. If your drawstring is too long, you can cut it off if you want, but I'm good to go right now. So you need a bobby pin if you want to wrap a section of the hair around. So I'm taking a section of the hair, I'm wrapping it around. I can tuck it in just to be safe, so I'll just use the bobby pin. And I'm good to go, baby girls. This is a coil. There's something about this coil hair. It's really full. I can pull it out if I want. I can style it this way. I can take it this way. See the vibe is giving me. I can take it this way. If your drawstring is too long, you can just cut it off. It's of no use. So you see how lovely it is. I can make a messy bun with this. Honestly, I'll just get a messy bun with this. So you can use it for photo shoot, birthdays, graduation party. You can even gift it to your friends, your lovely girls. So I can bring a little out, or I just tuck in everything. How cool is this? How cool! Every lady should have this in their life. I'm telling you, you need this. You are not sad. You just need a new hairdo, and this is very easy. Just get your hair all gelled up. Simple. You fix your drawstring. You're good to go. I love it. It's giving me the vibe. Oh my god. Complete with this white shirt again. This banana necklace. I'm feeling myself. Actually, I think I prefer this one. So let's try the other one, the straight hair. So you tell me which one is better. Okay? So come. So we go. So it's very easy. So I'm taking this one off right now. It's very easy. It doesn't take 2 seconds. We're done. So I just loosen the drawstring and I'm good to go. Take the comb out of it. And we're good to go, baby girl. We're good to go. We're good to go. So I want to install the second one, the straight one. So this is the straight one. So lovely. Man. With the comb again. So you tell me the one you prefer. So as for me, I prefer everything, honestly. I prefer everything this air gives me. Gives me everything. So I make sure I secure my drawstring and I try it. So I have this long straight here, which I can wrap around. You can cut it short if you want to. Yes, some people just like it. You can easily strip if you cut it as well. So one thing about this, I like my ponytails here. So people, you can take it up, you can take it a little bit lower, but this is the way I like my ponies. So which one? I don't even know the one to choose. Ah, these things are so beautiful. You need to get it on. This is something you can't miss out. It's so lovely. Man. Because this is a bone straight, so we can easily do a messy bone as well. Just secure with your bobby pins. Just one bobby pin, you go to go. If you just want that bone, like. So which one do you prefer? So for me, I like it drop. What's the essence of making it bone? So it's not something it's so lovely. In a jiffy. This is for one night, so thinking about hairstylists and all of that. This is actually my favorite hairstyle. So I had a very good badass stylist, so she relocated. And since then, I think she has spoiled me. Most times when I like her doing those designs on my hair and everything, that's a specialty anyway. So I'll just go and meet her. But for this ponytail, it's easy, DIY. You can do it yourself. Just comb it all back and just apply your gel with water. So this one is just oil you need on it. You don't really need much. It's easy hard. And it's not hard. Enjoy yourself. See how sweet it is. And it's giving a baby girl vibes. Yes, it's so lovely. So I can just bring it here. I can bring it here. I think it's my beauty side, so I always have like stuff coming towards my right hand side. I love it there. But when I'm doing parts, I take it to the other side. So both ways, they're really cute. So which one? Coily or straight? Coily or straight? Coily or straight? I think I like the straight hair. It's giving me the Ajebota girl vibe and all. So which one will you be rocking? It's very easy. Drawstring. It's easy. Make sure you get it from our shop Jolly Chic. And you're good to go, baby girls. Yeah. So that will be all. I'll see you in my next video. See this baby girl lifestyle. I say it's for all of us. So holler at your girl if you want to get this drawstring ponytail. This one comes in 20 inch. This one comes in 18 inches. It's very easy to maintain, just water and styling oils and all of that, and oil, just a little bit of it. You're good to go. They are human hair, so don't be afraid of tango. It's I can give you like 20 years guarantee for this hair, so you don't need to bother to go back. You will rock. You will not thank me. You will not come and give me champagne money. I did so well for you to give it to so. Which one do you prefer? So let me just affix this comb here. So, which one? I said, you know one thing about these bunny boys, they get really fuller when you comb them out. I think this is above 100 grams. So this is something, if you're considering investing in something, you should invest. If you have daughters, you can get it for them. Get it for your girlfriend, your sisters, your mummies, your auntie. Oh, you're worried. Oh, bridal hairstyling is expensive. You can get this one. You can get this one. So which one do you prefer? The straight or the coily? The straight or the coily? The straight or the coily? I love them both. So life is sweet. Variety is the spice of life. So why should you have only coily and you not be longing for straight hair? So I have a straight one here. I have a coily one here. So make your choice. I see you in my next video. Bye guys.